Hello everyone, this is Aaron Spalsbury. I'm the Global Sales Support Manager for 3xLOGIC. Today we're at ISC West 2019. 3xLOGIC is a manufacturer of digital video recorders, NVR, specialty cameras, as well as access control. And today we're showcasing a few of our products. Not only are we showcasing some of our solutions that we have in artificial intelligence, from facial recognition all the way through our Vigil Trends platforms, but also showcasing a few different new technologies. For instance, being able to set up a camera that is specific to loyalty programs, being able to go back and say, hey, I have a customer that frequents my business. I want to know every time he comes in. I want to send a VP or maybe a president over to greet this person. This is a new emerging market that is virtually untapped, and that's what we're specializing in demonstrating here at ISC. Let me go ahead and show you some of these products if we could. Here we're taking a look at our new facial recognition camera that we're showing off here at ISC today. A few kind of interesting key points about this camera. You may notice the images across the bottom of the screen are scrolling by. Well, what this is doing is we're taking a look at a live image in the middle of the screen here, and every time the camera has identified a person or a face, it will actually grab it, throw it into the database that really allows us just simply to go back and select whether or not this is a person of interest or not. Over here off to the right side of the screen, you'll notice I've got a few different metrics. I've got similarity, I've got name, face library, their classification, as well as any notes that I would like to have show up. Well, the nice part about this is not only does this show up on our software here, but we also have cell phone applications, iPad applications, available both for Android and for iOS, to just simply notify us anytime somebody or a person of interest has entered the business. Now, let's say, for instance, I'm going to just use this guy down here. I've just simply clicked on the little plus that's right here by the person that I've identified. Somebody just simply walking by. I would come in, I would give them a name, what library I want to associate them to, any other information I can obviously populate. It doesn't have to come from the images that are being auto-populated by our software. You can come in and choose from detected pictures, which is this ongoing list, this ongoing grab of faces as they walk by, or I can come in and actually upload this particular image. So let's say, for instance, you're looking for a specific person. Maybe the only thing you have is a Facebook or LinkedIn image, or just simply an image that you've captured via your cell phone. You can upload it directly in here and then, of course, be notified as soon as that person comes onto the property. It really is a unique way of being able to identify any person that you care about entering any facility, anywhere, anytime. Here we are in the Vigil Client software, and this is our enterprise class DVR NVR solution that is available. Now, the brilliance behind this, and really what we're kind of showcasing today, is the ability to be able to go in and do not only access control, but also access searches within the client software. Now, of course, we're just looking at just a simple camera image here, but over here off to the left, you'll see a series of icons. The last icon is actually the door control, and we do have a number of bits and pieces that we can select through here. I can come in, I can do a momentary unlock of the door. If I want to come in and look at a live event, just simply a list of all of the folks that are coming through here, we can certainly do that. Going back and searching events, another way of just being able to go in, for instance, if I see Tim here, I wanted to go in, do a search every time Tim has used his card, I can search for him, or of course I can do any type of event filtering, perhaps a card, perhaps a mobile credential, whatever type of event filtering I want to do. But really the whole idea behind this was to make it incredibly easy for the user, incredibly simple. For instance, if I come in to, let's say, do a search event, you'll notice I've got my various doors I can search for here. I've also got my people, I've also got my events. Any one of these that I click on, of course, I can drill down to one specific person or another. The events are the same way, but if I just simply leave these unchecked, of course, I can come in and hit search on this. We can go in and pull up all of these events that simply just leave out that individual descriptor. I can come in and say, hey, this door was left open. I could jump straight to live, jump straight to playback, or simply look at a still shot. We just simply say, go ahead and click that button. You're going to see the majority of the functionality that you're going to use day to day. Thank you very much for visiting us today and watching this video. If you would like more information on any of the products you've seen, you're more than welcome to visit us online at www.3xlogic.com, or feel free to call in and talk to any one of our sales associates, 877-3xLOGIC. Again, thank you very much. We'll see you next time.